Okay, everybody, at this point, you should have received an email from NWEA, which gives you a username and a password to log in on this site right here, so you can administer the MAPS test. And just in case you don't remember the URL, I'm going to zoom into it so you can see it. It's sso.mapnwea.org. Go ahead and log in with the email link that you've been sent. It should be at your mahidol.edu account at this point. What you want to do as soon as you're logged in is you want to look on the left-hand side navigation bar and go ahead and go to Manage Test Sessions. On this screen, you want to click on Save Testing Sessions, and I've tried to make this process as easy for you as possible. You should see your section number listed next to your name. Just in case you're not seeing this particular list, you should click on this column where it says Created By and delete whoever's name is in there. It might be yours, and at that point you should see a menu that pops down and says All Proctors. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, and once you've clicked on All Proctors, you should definitely be able to see this. So moving on from here, I'm just going to pretend I'm Kate. I've selected my designated section, and what I want to do if I want to test them is I want to go ahead and click on Edit Session. Okay. At this point, what I want to do is I want to select all the students by clicking this button right here, and I want to click on Assign Test. All right. From the Assign Test, I want to click on the test name, and you see a bunch of tests over here that we'd want them to do. Focus on, remember, we're in this session, we're only going to do growth language 2 to 12, growth reading 6+, and growth math 6+. Do it in whichever order you wish. I'm just going to click on growth math 6+. I'm going to start with that. Click Assign, and once that's done, I can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Test Now. All right, so this goes ahead and starts my test. What you want to do at this point is note down right up here the testing session name and the session password. This is what you want to share with the students. The students will enter the testing session name and the test password into the NWEA lockdown browser, which they should have downloaded at this point, and then they're ready to go ahead and start the test. Once they're in the system, of course, you will be asked to confirm so they can start the test. Over here, the to be confirmed number will increase. Go ahead and click Confirm Now. Let them all go ahead and start. And that's about it, and let them take the test. Once the students are finished, you'll see that their status will have changed to completed test. And as they're doing the test, you'll be able to see what number they are on. Okay, this is not completely real time. It's a little bit slow, but you know, it should be fine. Now, what you want to make sure is you want to pay close attention to this button right here. It says Students Disengaged. If this button flashes red or orange, you want to go ahead and click on it. It will give you a list of the students who are doing the test too quickly. That means that their data cannot be calculated because they weren't taking the test seriously. And this is a good time to go ahead, and it would be your responsibility to go to the student, speak to the specific student, explain the importance of this test to them at that point. Once all your students are complete, and again, I emphasize, make sure that all the students have completed the test. Go ahead and click on End Testing Session and click on Save and Exit. All right. Now, you would want to repeat the same process for the other two tests as well. And once you've done all 3 of the growth tests, that's it for MAP. I hope this video was helpful as a refresher on what you need to do. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to be around as much as possible. Again, I just wanted to point out this is new to me, just as it is to you. There's a lot to learn. There's going to be lots of road bumps in the way. I'm trying really hard to make this as easy as possible for you, so I hope this was helpful. Bear with me if you're having technical difficulties. Remember that I also have classes. I can't always be there. Just a short disclaimer. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye.